welcome back to another video. Sleepy this morning. Just gone 6:30. I'm gonna have some breakfast, do my non-negotiables, bit of a forecast, affirmations, stuff like that. I'm gonna do 5k and then just take it on with my day. I've got eating the ball. Got 2 interviews, so I'll do 5k, jump back on the laptop, do a work block or 2, go to 2 interviews, and then hit the gym. Yeah, not much really. Take it along with my day. So where am I at? I still haven't took any trades this month. I took 1 trade on silver because I'm forward testing the new entry on it. Silver and gold, I've run a bit of back testing on those and it seems to work on them as well. So I'm just doing a bit of forward testing to just gather a bit more data. It was at 8 to 1. I'll attach a picture of it on the screen, but it doesn't really matter because I'm only forward testing it anyway, so didn't make any money on it or anything. I am going to just have a bar of dark chocolate, finish off my coffee, forecast and bits and bobs, and then do 5k. I'm at an all-time low as well. I'm 165 pound now in weight. So I've come down from 193 I was. So 193, then got the coach at 178. So I've lost 13 pound with the coach. So it's not too bad. With a couple of hiccups in the middle of it, like Christmas and that, but yeah, we move. So I'll take it along with me day. Oh, and I've also got 2 interviews today. So do 5k, come back, do a little work block, 2 interviews, and then hit the gym. Maybe come back and do another work block. It's depending on what time it is. Yeah. So I've just done 5k there. I was pretty pleased with the time, done 25 minutes. Just trained legs yesterday, and I also went on the bike, so my legs were a bit stiff, but went all right. I had my breakfast before as well, so something I don't normally do, a bit of fuel. I'm going to revise for my CSCS test on Thursday. I'm going to do a bit of revision for that. I have something to eat about 10. It's 9:30 now, and then got my interview. Right. Have my first meal, just some chicken, avocado and toast. It's about 10 o'clock. So I'm setting off to my interview about 10:30, so just having a quick meal now. I'm just on my way to my interview now. Had some breakfast, lunch, brunch, call it. Yeah, just on the way to the interview. And then this one's at 11:30. It's 11 o'clock now. And then the next one's at 1:30, so hopefully I can come out with this one, drive straight to the next one. Otherwise I'll be sat about for a little bit, but what can you do? Just had the first interview. I'm going to drive over now and go to the second one. I'm not going to lie, mate, fell off a bit when he started showing us the hydraulic schematics. But yep, we found the hydraulic tank anyway. That's the main thing. That's the main thing, fellas. Do it. That's the second interview done. just going to head home now, grab some food, and nip into Nana Jean's, me and Rebecca, to see her and have a cup of coffee. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to take that second job. That was the second interview for it. It's in a quarry and it was minging there. It was full of parts. There's a few other factors that I'm not too keen on taking it, so I didn't get a chance to finish my work blocks this morning. I ended up just revising for my CSCS test in the morning. So I'm going to Nana Jean's, go to the gym, then home, do 2 work blocks and a bit more revision for the test in the morning. So that's the rest of my day. And the day's nearly over, it is 2:30, so yeah. We went. Early in the vlog. Tito. What's this now? What's this? Second meal, chicken and veg, and a bit of avocado on toast. Yes. Off to the gym now for a quick pull session. I've got a quick pull session, then home, do some work blocks. Eat at my nana's, so not too bad. So after it, no trades. It's been no trades. It's been relatively quiet. Just been some news. So I'm forward testing gold, silver, and then GU live now. They all invalidated themselves this morning anyway, so I wasn't looking at any of them from this morning. And then EU and AU is, there's just been some news not long ago, past couple of hours, put some momentum in the market, but we've just shifted back up into a range. So just highlighting some areas, see how we break into them, and then go from there. Might do a little talking head video, break down the day's price action at the end of the video. Maybe a little idea to do in the gym. Done a little pull session in the gym. And then it looks like someone's put a rocket up the markets. Let's start to move a little bit, so just keep an eye on that over the next few hours, see if we can get any continuation patterns. So I've seen a little nice impulse that I'm interested in on EU, so we'll just sit and wait. A sign saying it wants to continue to the upside for now though, so we shall wait and see. Revision and back testing, that's what I'm doing now. Let's get after it. So here I am again with another talking head video. You would. So I'm just going to explain what I've seen today in the market and just what was said that the market was looking nice earlier on and then now it's not. So when I was on about the market having a bit of momentum, seeing this nice V, expecting a bit of a range, didn't get the range. Could see momentum continue, yeah, no problem. Momentum continued, then a huge shift. So now I'm just looking at above and below this area as I'm seeing a shift in either side. So I'll just see how we break into this area. Prior to that, we've just been ascending. I didn't look for anything huge wick. See how we broke here, we broke and we got that rejection, but no entry for myself. On EU, so we've kind of been ascending, descending, ascending, very range bound. I was looking at this area, but we did break into it. We ascended up to it, broke into it, and then broke again, so just ascended into it. That doesn't fit my plan. Could have looked at this area, but then it's by the by. It depends how you read it. And also, I wouldn't have done it because we broke into it anyway, I thought. There you go. And then we started to see some momentum building. Then we got a wick. Didn't see no shift, and then we seen the big news candle continue. So I wouldn't have been surprised if momentum did continue, but then we've got a large double wick and another shift, giving me an area to look below here, and then we've got this double bottom here. So I'm interested in all this liquidity down here to be swept. And then we've just seen momentum come up, so we've got the V. Nice push past, we're still in this range, and then we've seen a solid shift. So double top area, well actually triple top area, we've got this, plenty of liquidity above, plenty of liquidity below. Expecting a range, I just want to see how we break into this area. And then on GU this morning, got a bar replay. Oop. So we had the Asian range. I was looking for buys, and I was looking to see how we come down and swept this liquidity below here. But we swept the liquidity from the top, so it invalidated any setups to me. So then I've just sat on my hands for the rest of the day with it. No setups. Did we get a setup? No, we didn't, because we broke this high. Raged around. Yeah, didn't get any setups, so and then use. So I'll just check this out again in the morning. Whoa, what are we doing? So I'll just look at that again in the morning now. Yeah, that's it for that's how it's been today, so not so bad. Relatively quiet. Here's my last meal. I have 1 bacon medallion, 10 grams of cheese, 150 grams of mince in a brioche bun as a treat, and 150 grams of yogurt, 100 grams of blueberries, and a scoop of protein powder. I'm just going to do a little bit more testing now, and then I'm done for the day. I'm just going to do about another 20 minutes, 10 minutes. It's 8:30 now, and then take a little pause for a walk around the block. Last run out for him before bedtime. You ready? Yeah, I'm just back testing gold at the minute. There's a lot more losses than GU, but the percentage is pretty consistent month on month. It's doing a couple of percent, like 7-8% a month consistently, so it's not too bad. There isn't like a long streak of losses either, so I'll get this data put in, see what it looks like, and then try and refine it and tweak it. So I've just finished testing gold from August to December. There was actually 6 consecutive wins, but they were just small wins, you know, like just basically break evens. So there was 6, but 4 losses in a row. Total of 29 trades in August, September, October, November, December, in 5 months. 29 trades in 5 months for 12 losses. So yeah, that's what the data is looking like for the first round. I'm going to I'll review the data, whack it onto Trello, and then see what I can highlight, what was the losing trades, and see if we can eliminate some of them. I did notice a couple of things. I've adjusted my stop loss for the next round, so yeah, we'll have a look. So I'm just taking little balls on the walk, on his last walk now around the block. Stretch his legs. Yeah, this channel, I did think of it at the start, like when I procrastinate, I do like to watch people just go about their lives and what they get up to and stuff. So I thought people might find it interesting what I get up to. So that was one of the main things about starting the channel. But the past couple of weeks I've been looking back and thinking it's so good to document my journey, like be it with the trading, and just to look back on to see how far I've come and how my life changes throughout maybe the years, because it's going to be around YouTube for years to come, isn't it? So if you don't take the channel down, it stays on, so it will be nice to look back at, and even for the younger generation, offspring and so on, to look back at, as they all look what Dad was getting up to maybe. Yeah, so it has turned into a bit more of documenting my journey for me as well. So like I say, I found this entry now. So I found the entry, yeah, I look back on it in these years' time and think, oh God, that's when I discovered the entry, and look how much I've refined it now, and that's how I was trading it, and look how profitable it is now, and I've tweaked it so much that it's absolutely smashing it, and look at all the payouts I've had from it, and all the capital I've gained from it. So yeah, it's good. is good. It's good to document. Even me looking for a job at the moment, might look back in a year's time and laugh the fact that I was looking for another job and the profitability I've got coming this year. So yeah, so keep procrastinating, keep tuning in. You.